This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I will show how you can use the newly introduced generative AI feature on this device. So to start, you will need to obviously open your gallery, then find the photo that you would like to play with, open the editing interface, and here you'll find this magic AI button. Before that, decide, of course, you have to decide which object you would like to move around select what part of the photo you would like to fill using the generative AI feature. So I will show it in a way that I want to move this pen around. So you gotta enable this thing here, make sure that you are inside this interface, then select the object you would like to move around. So I want for this pen to be selected. Not sure if it's even possible. Yep, it is. Then I will move this pen somewhere else on this picture. So actually, in order to move an object, you'll need to tap and hold your finger or your S Pen onto the framing line, like that, not like this. Just like that. Then I'll move this pen here, for example. And then if I want to fill this section that I've cut my pen from using the generative AI, just tap at the generate button. Now wait. And we'll see how well it works actually. Well, to be perfectly honest, it doesn't look that good. But to be, well, even more honest, this is not the best example to show this feature on, but still, I hope you grasp the general concept. You know what? Let me just show you another example on how to use this feature by taking some other picture into account, or by simply using another picture that will fit better. So like, let's say this one. I will select this logo here. So first open the Generate AI interface, select the object, and move it somewhere else. And now we will fill this sector here and see how well it will generate the missing part of this image. Yeah, it obviously looks better now, way better. So yeah, that's about it as far as the generative AI goes. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.